Okay, I've got an update. Me and Rob Smith have put our heads together, and the only thing we can come out with, I tested every drive last night with a recompiled version of FloppyBridge from WinUAE. It made no difference. The only thing we can find, again, this is Stephen Jones's drive with a special 26 pin adapter. That's the erratic drive. Now, these have still got a fix. These Amiga drives, but I've tested every single one of these. These weren't working. These are all fixed by me, and these are all Amiga drives. These, every single one of these will boot Syndicate via WinUAE and FloppyBridge straight away. These are all PC drives that are fixed. They will also boot Syndicate first go with no erratic drive problems. So the only thing we're thinking is it's down to a 26 pin adapter. That's the only thing we can think of. So I think that's the answer. So I'm going to send this drive back to Stephen Jones saying it's fixed, and fingers crossed it works in his PC as a PC drive.